You don't have to let the home of your dreams or the home in your dream neighborhood slip away just because it needs a lot of work or renovations. I was out with one of my buyers last night. They liked the home, but it needed a lot of work. Home renovation loans are one of the smartest ways for homeowners to finance their entire renovation project, but most people don't know that they exist or how they work. A home renovation loan is based on one key factor: after renovation value. Renovation loans use a home's estimated after renovation value instead of its current home value to calculate how much a homeowner can borrow. This gives homeowners the credit for increase in home value from the proposed completed renovation up front. It all comes down to the difference between using the home's current value versus the after renovation value. Here's how it works. You've already been pre-approved by one of our local lenders, so we go back to them and tell them that you found your dream home, but it needs an overhaul. We will obtain 2 to 3 bids, depending on what your lender tells us, for the work to be completed. We turn those bids over to the lender, who in turn hires an appraiser who uses the renovation bids and plans provided by the homeowner to project how much value the renovation will add to the current home value. This is a special type of appraisal called as completed appraisal. Still have questions? Don't worry. Your lender and I can go over all the details to see if this is an option for you. Reach out to me.